Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today it's a little different. Same Family Dollar, but you're able to do an online order and orders the 24 case of the Hot Wheels a counter display. So that's what I did. I ordered a few cases to arrive here. I got 4. So hopefully we find a super, since I haven't been having much luck finding any supers or treasure hunts. So there's 4, so let's hope and see, or let's see if something good is in here. Just so you guys know, Family Dollar does do online orders for Hot Wheels, but they only do it by 24, and it's pretty cheap. You get them shipped to the store, very convenient. So let's go ahead and get into this. I already cut them open to see, to make it a little faster, and so we can see right from the top. See, there's some good cars in here. I see the Toyota 2000 GT. I see a Camaro in here, a Circle Tracker one, Dyno one. This one's pretty cool. It's the Shelby Cobra. I picked up, I believe, 3 of these already. I don't need any more of those. Here's a Too Tough one. Then we got the 57 Plymouth Fury in orange. Pretty sure I have this one. Set aside. The wagon. Then we got the Shelby Gt500. This one has a really nice paint job. Look at that. It's a nice color. Alright. So, ooh, check it out. The Lamborghini, I mean, I'm sorry. Look at that. This one's really nice. I don't think I have this one, so I'll definitely be taking this one. I don't think I'll be taking the Plymouth anymore. But the Grand Cross. See a Honda in here. The Custom Integra. Another Plymouth. Another wagon. Here's the Camaro I mentioned earlier. 69. Camaro, nice. I have 2 of those already. Here's the Datsun. Check it out. I'm gonna take this one. Nah, it's a little bent. I'm gonna leave it. Ooh, look at the 90 Acura NSX. I don't think I have this one. The Humvee. Yeah, I already picked this one up. I'm gonna be taking that. It's pretty cool though. The Beat All. Cool. The Grand Cross. Custom Auto in purple. And then the 2018 Honda Civic Type R with some nice decals on there. I'm not gonna be taking that one. Then last, the Roger Dodger. Alright, that's 1 case down. 3 more to go. Let's see what's in this one. Some of these are upside down. What's this one? La Fasta. Another Camaro. Grand Cross. The Big Air Bel Air. I have this one already. Looks like I have all of these, but I don't know. Find a treasure hunt in here. Or super. Find a super cool. The Audi. There's 2 of them next to each other. Too Tough. This one was really cool. The Toyota Tundra. Part of the Tokyo 2020. And the RV there yet. Ooh, the Custom Cadillac Fleetwood. Look at that. Check it out. Range Rover. And another Dyno one. Another Shelby. Custom. Roger Dodger. This one's slide out. Alright, so box number 3. Ooh, I just saw something. Check it out. Regular treasure hunt. I don't have this one, so it's going to be a new one to my collection. The Custom 56 Ford truck. It's a little damaged, but I don't have it, so I'll be taking it. There's the treasure hunt logo. Can't really see the back, but this is part of the Hot Wheel art cars. That's cool. I'm definitely taking that one. Maybe find anything else in here. Ooh, check it out. It's the Porsche 911. I have a couple of these at home, so I won't be taking that one. There's another Honda. 49 Ford F1. Plymouth. Ooh. Yeah, I have this one. Chevy. The Nissan. This one's a twin turbo, the police edition one. Ooh, check it out. The Audi. Humvee. We'll see another Lamborghini in there. Here's a Gladiator. The Mad Props. Here's a Lamborghini. I don't know, this one, I don't like the color. I don't know. I don't like how it looks. Honda. This one's open. It's a dyno one. Ooh, 2018 Ford Mustang. I'll be taking that one. I collect Camaros. Alright. So the last spot. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see the bone shaker. This one's all messed up. Shelby, Dodger, the Range Rover, Grand Cross, Gaslight, another Datsun. Here's the bone shaker. Audi, the Mercedes, and the Dodge Charger. So that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, turn notifications on for future videos.